If your GMC Sierra AC vents are stuck or blowing air from the wrong places, we can diagnose the issue in 2 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of vent airflow problems in these trucks stem from a failing HVAC mode door actuator. Let us break down the diagnostic process to see exactly what is happening behind your dashboard. Start by checking for blown fuses, listening for clicking sounds behind the dash, and scanning for body module error codes. The mode door actuator is your primary suspect, though the climate control head unit itself can also fail internally. Don't overlook simple things like a clogged cabin filter or vacuum leaks on older model years. You can often fix this with a simple recalibration, but deep dash work is best left to professional technicians. Costs vary significantly depending on whether you are replacing a simple filter or the entire control module. If you go deeper, always disconnect the battery first and use a multimeter to verify power is reaching the actuator. Keep your trim tools and a multimeter handy, as they are essential for safely accessing and testing these components. Remember, a proper scan tool will save you hours of unnecessary labor and guessing. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook, and let us know in the comments which fix worked for your truck.